Welcome to the channel. Today, I will tell you how to add interactive comments to your report that will switch depending on what you select in the filters. So, we have a comment on the default which is static and a financial result by business group which is dynamic. And once we select a business direction on the filter, we will see a comment for a specific direction. The main measure is the underscore comments measure, and we say that if a certain business direction is selected, then from the comments directory we pull up the comment that corresponds to the selected direction. Otherwise we substitute the comments total measure. The comments total measure represents static text to which a numeric value is appended.